Hey everyone, here I'll be doing a side lying, high velocity, low amplitude adjustment for Trev's lumbar spine. So for setup, he's in side lying, he's grabbing his elbows, hugging them in really tight. I'm gonna brace on his elbow right here. I'm gonna roll him to start, anchor on his lower back, and then my forearm is on his sacrum, pulling forward. Then I'm also gonna stabilize on his top leg right here. So Trev, give me a big inhale for me, sir. Then as he exhales, I'm going to take out the slack by pushing with this hand, pulling with the other one, and then I'll just do a fast little press by kicking my top leg straight down. And so usually it's a bit more aggressive or violent than that. It's just that I just don't want to adjust Trev unnecessarily right here.